Hello everyone, this will be the demonstration of the actual use of the Sightmaster. Again, designed and built by CZ Industries in Auburn Hills, Michigan. We have another video going through a few of the details and the functionality. So this will be a quick demonstration on a Glock without disassembly. This would be one of the advantages. So obviously safety first. Make sure everything is unloaded. Move the clip. So the step one would be is place the weapon in, and for my earlier video, you want to select the ideal clamping surface. And again, they vary because every weapon is slightly different on the width. So in this case, as I stated in the previous videos, what we prefer is that when you do clamp it, that you are past half on this side. So that being said, also in an earlier video stated was the sight does not require to be on center. Being off center is perfectly fine, plus it provides support on the back side for the removal. In this case, I'm going to be doing this it's actually easy on this particular gun. But again, imagine being at a shooting range, you want to just make a quick adjustment. Obviously, make sure that all the safety precautions necessary are taken, and you can simply just bring your wrench if necessary to adjust. If not, if it's plastic just like on this Glock, I'm going to show you, I can just simply do this with my fingers. So once you press the sights out, you can either replace them with the new ones, or it is, whatever it is that you wanted to do, maybe do some gunsmithing on the upper. But anyway, so once you remove it, you have a couple choices. Either A, trying to return it right here, or you can simply just pop it off. I'll take a look at it. Do the initial alignment, place it back in. Make a little bit of space by rotating it all the way. Choose your proper one. Just to push, come over here and run it back in. You always want to make sure that it's going in properly. Basically, when I put it in by hand as far as you can, it will give it a good decent alignment, and after that continue. Now you might say, well, where is the marker for the for the sights? Honestly, if you're replacing your sights for different ones, that's usually what happens. The distance from the center line to the outer edge will vary from one to the other, and it's really, we didn't really find it being useful, so there is no real markers on this one. Again, once you finish, you can simply just flip it over, and there we are, finished. Now, additional functionality of this device. Once you clamp it, if you would like to come up and, for example, you have a steel sight that's in there, or sights that they all manufactured within some kind of a tolerance, there's a good possibility that they'll be more stubborn on some of your guns. Even from gun to gun, they will vary. So what we did here for Glock right now, and as we develop, we might come up with more of these shoes, or you can make them yourself. But basically, on a Glock, you'll simply just do this and put the screw on this side, like so. And as you can see, we are holding it right there by the groove. And again, keep in mind, gun is still assembled. And we can do the same thing on the more stubborn ones. Because when you're pressing on the sight from this side, it wants to take the gun and rotate it. So essentially what we did here is we locked it in place, and it's resting against the front face of the Sightmaster. The grooves are holding on. But now you say, well, what about the ones that you know, this is great for Glock. What about mine? Well, no problem at all. And again, at this point, if you have stubborn sights, you might want to take your upper completely off. So, but what you can do is, secondarily, is you can come up and basically put the plate, place the just a plate on the top, put your other fastener in, and you can squeeze it, and it will do the same thing. But for the Glock, we found this being very helpful. Essentially, just slide it on. Watch it. It's very simple. Remove. Place it back in, select the, I'll show you if you choose the incorrect one, you basically don't clamp. You choose the proper one, and there you are. It holds it without any issues whatsoever. Another thing we will do is we will release these shoes for you guys in 3D model, in a STL. So if you damage these for whatever reason, or if you want to create your own, if you gotta, if you want to have a specific design on there, it's great. I will give you a 3D. You guys can 3D print them, and if you want to, you can even replace the actual hex shoe also. The adjusting, you can also do that. We can release those two in a STL. Just ask us. We'll shoot you an STL file, and you can come up and print your own. Thank you very much for watching, and if you buy this and support us, thank you very much, and enjoy it.